Hi, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you another time series test that is used to confirm if there is a trend in the data. Usually, people confirm the presence of trend using two ways, either to make a graph or time chart, line graph, or they do a regression of the variable with time and if see it is significant. But the problem with both is that the line chart is a visual inspection, which might have a confusing outcomes if the pattern is not linear. Secondly, the regression only checks for the linear trend, and if there is not, then it will be very difficult to identify. So I will create two examples. For example, this is the GDP growth data. So if I make a plot here, and this data looks like there is no specific pattern, but there are some regions where there is a trend, like this region or this region. So it's not simple enough. So I will move it here. Another, I will do another variable that is log of an EG, and then if you see its graph, and there is a clear pattern. Now, but sometimes it is decreasing and with the increasing, decreasing, increasing, and decreasing. So it still does not look like linear. So we'll start with this one. We'll come here in the time series diagnostic. We'll do the trend test and it will do the bootstrap method. It is notable here as that all of the probability values are above 0.05 as a conventional scene criteria. So it says that there is no linear trend, no quadratic trend, no monotonic trend, no monotonic trend. But if you use the 10% criteria, there is a complicated form of trend that is there. But if you stick to 5% criteria, it means there is no trend in the data. But if you look at the EG data, and if you go in and do the trend test, and if you see here is all of the tests are significant, showing that there is a trend. So here you can see the ER coefficient, which has a high value, but in this case it was very small because there was no trend. So these are two examples that are done using the trend test. So you can use this to understand how the data is changing. Either it is increasing over time or decreasing over time. What is the pattern of that? You can then explain the process of this data. Thank you very much.